Good morning. So we are on Wednesday of Social Studies with Ms. Cofer, and today we're going to watch a brain pop video. So yesterday in class we talked about landforms like mountain and valley and plateau and lake and river, and so we're going to watch a brain pop video about those today. Go ahead and share my screen so we can get started. Okay, here we go.
What's up, Moby? You want to climb Mount Everest? But that's the highest mountain in the world. What is a landform? A landform is a natural formation or area of land. There are many different landforms all over the planet. Well, a continent is one kind of landform. Earth's land is divided into 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. There are different landforms all over the continents. There are even landforms right in your neighborhood. What are raised areas of land? A hill is a landform that rises up and has a rounded top. The steep ones are fun to ride down. Be careful, Moby! A mountain is a landform that rises high above the area around it and has a peak at the top. A row of connected mountains is called a range.
So can you think of any mountain ranges that we live nearby? We live near the Great Smoky Mountains. That is a mountain range. It's part of the Appalachian Mountain Range.
Andes Mountain Range is the longest in the world. It goes through 7 countries. A plateau also rises above an area like a mountain, but a plateau has a flat surface on top. What are lower areas of land? A valley is a landform that is lower than the area around it. You can find valleys between hills, mountains, and plateaus. Water from higher areas can flow down into the valleys to form rivers and streams. Rivers and rich soil make valleys good for farming. A canyon is a deep valley with very steep sides. It's formed when a river wears away at rock for millions of years. What are flat areas of land? Plains are wide, flat lands. Many plains have rich soil, so they're good for agriculture. The Great Plains covers part of the United States and Canada. Many areas of the Great Plains are covered by prairie. A prairie is a grassy plain that has few or no trees. Other plains are covered by forests. There are even plains on the ocean floor. What are landforms near water? A coast is an area where land meets the ocean. Some coasts are rocky, and others are sandy with beaches. Over thousands of years, water can wear away at coasts to form bays. A bay is an area of water that has land on 3 sides. The water in a bay is usually pretty calm. An island is an area of land that is surrounded by water. Caribbean has over 7,000 islands. A peninsula is an area of land that has water on 3 sides. The state of Florida is a really big peninsula. You reached the top of Mount Everest? That's impossible. It takes weeks. Hey. Whoa.
Okay, so some of those you may have recognized from what we learned from our book yesterday. We talked about the mountain and hill, and we talked about the plateau and a peninsula and a river and a lake, and all of those were in the video that we just watched. So we're going to take a quiz.
Start.
All right, so what kind of landform does this picture show? Is it A, mountain, B, canyon, C, valley, or D, plateau? What is this picture of? That's right, it is a mountain. Correct. Good job. All right, so what kind of landform is the country of Jamaica? So look, it is surrounded by water completely on all 4 sides. So is that a bay, a valley, an island, or a plain? Which one do you think it is? It is an island, yes, and it's a beautiful island. I went there once, I loved it. So what might you find on a prairie? Now this is something we're going to talk a lot about in Module 2 of Wit and Wisdom. A prairie. Would you find forests, grasses, oceans, or mountains? You would find grasses on a prairie. Some are covered in forests, but most are with grasses, with tall grasses. Which might be the best place to grow crops? On a grassy plain, on the side of a cliff, down in a canyon, or on top of a mountain? Where do you think the best place to like grow corn and wheat and things would be? Okay, so maybe on a grass plain? Yes. All right. Question 5. What kind of landform is lower than the area around it? A range, an island, the plains, or a valley? So if there's land high above it, what is the part in the middle called? We talked about that one yesterday too. That's right, it is a valley. We got 5 out of 5. Good job, guys. Look at Moby dancing. All right. So yesterday we learned about several landforms. I'm really close to the screen. So we learned about several different landforms yesterday. We talked about a mountain and a hill and a valley and a plateau. And we talked about a river and a lake and an island and a peninsula. We talked about lots of different landforms yesterday. So today, what I want you to do is make sure that you have completed the questions for chapters 1, 2, and 3 in your Land, My Land booklet. And tomorrow we're going to work on maps, to make our own map tomorrow. We were going to do that today, but I decided to watch the video instead just because I thought you guys might need a little refresher. So tomorrow we're going to work on maps. So that's all that we have for class today. I hope that you enjoyed the Brain Pop video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.